Experience used to be the only benchmark. Errors, however, were the norm in construction. Excavation faces three major challenges: uncontrollable quality, low efficiency, and safety risks. How to break through. South Surveying and Mapping EGS01 Excavator 3D Guidance System. Ushering in a new era of intelligent, precise excavation. GNSS High Precision Positioning plus Multi-Sensor Fusion. Real-time bucket tip positioning accuracy up to 3 centimeters. Dynamically displaying elevation deviations. Cloud-based intelligent conversion. CAD drawings instantly transformed into 3D construction models. Sent directly to the in-cab terminal. Real-time cab guidance. Bucket position, orientation, and over or under excavation heat maps, all in one glance. Say goodbye to rule of thumb. Eliminate over and under excavation. Master complex scenarios with precision, complete in one go. Zero rework. Reduce setting out workload by 90%. Cut fuel consumption by 30%. Increase work efficiency by 40%. Avoid frequent entry into dangerous slopes to protect construction worker safety. Make every excavation precise and controllable. Make every project efficient and up to standard. South Surveying and Mapping EGS01 Excavator 3D Guidance System. Ushering in a new era of intelligent, precise excavation.